Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are learning this Valentine's Day special Z fold card with box. If you are new here to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I am taking a A4 size red sheet. So fold the red A4 size sheet into half. Then again fold the sheet into half. Now cut the approximate downside of the sheet. Don't throw this paper, we will require it in our card. So use this side for the pop-up effect. So do as directed in the video, as shown in the video. Now take a black sheet and paste it on the front side of the card. And then again taking a black sheet and pasting it inside the card. Then we have to glue this part. Do as shown in the video. Glue only half of this part. Then paste this side as shown in the video. Base of our card is ready. Now take a pink color pattern paper and paste it inside the card. And then I am taking a brown color sheet and cutting a mug shape for the pot of the cactus. Then I am drawing a cactus shape on the green color shape and then I am cutting it. Then I am punching some hearts from red sheet. And then we have to apply the heart on the top of the cactus. Then draw smiley on the cactus. And then glue the pot. Then cut a small cactus. And paste it on the pot and again paste a heart shape on the cactus. And again draw some smiley face and we have our two cactus, cute and easy cactus are ready. And now glue the cactus on the card as shown in the video. Now take two pieces of white paper and write I'm stuck on you and on one sheet Happy Valentine's Day and paste it as shown in the video. Now take a sheet of approximate length according to the card as shown. Do as directed I am doing in the video. Follow the step-by-step instructions as I am doing in the video. It is very easy to make but looks tricky. Then cut some stripes of red color paper and apply some hearts on it. You need 3 sticks of. Our card is ready. If you like my this video, so please give a big like to this video and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. So this is a Z fold card with a pop-up box with hearts. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to share this video, and if you make this card, so comment down below how is it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.